Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about can India benefit from the companies moving out of China. Firstly, let's talk about why are the companies suddenly moving out. In current COVID-19 situation, business have learned the dangers of over-relying on a single manufacturing hub. Some experts say that the trade war issue between US and China also plays a part in companies to move out. Many countries and company executives have said that they will shift companies from China. In fact, Japan has set aside 243.5 billion yen to help firms shift production out of China. A total of 1,000 foreign firms have said that they are about to change their location. So, will India benefit from this? Well, definitely yes. They will generate a lot of employee opportunities, which are the need of the current situation. According to our sources, the companies planning to pursue production plans in India are from the sector of mobile, electronics, medications, textiles, and synthetic fibers. The Assistant Secretary of State for South Asia and US Department said that India can quickly become a favorable jurisdiction for more of the industrial activities that are happening currently in China. Well, the government has reacted positively about the companies who are willing to come to India and has said that they will cooperate with them too. The top government officials are actually having a talk with 300 companies at present, so India can benefit from this situation. And let's not forget, few decades ago, China also faced a similar problem and its then leader Xi Jinping remade China's economy politically and strongly. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Also subscribe for more such content.